In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Cashout Unavailable on Uber driver app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so you have finished your trip and you want to cash out your earnings from Uber driver app, but you are experiencing this error. Then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In most cases, you might be experiencing this error because Uber is still updating the details of your last trip, of which it should be done within some few minutes. So first, be patient, try after some few minutes, and now you should be able to cash out your earnings. However, if this does not work and you don't have any issue with your wallet or your payment details, then you need to troubleshoot your app. To do that, go to your phone and look for settings. From settings, look for this option called apps. Under apps, look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, just search for Uber driver, and here it is. And here go to for stop, okay, clear data, clear cache, okay, and then clear all data. Now restart your smartphone, and once you are done, log in afresh into your account, and now you should be able to cash out. However, if you still get the same challenge, then go to Google Play Store or App Store, search for your app and update your app to the latest version. However, at this point, if this still does not work, then check and then see if you are using any VPN app on your smartphone. This might be the reason you are experiencing this. Uninstall the VPN or any proxy app that you recently installed, including any security app that you are not using before. This might be one of the biggest reasons you are experiencing this challenge. Once you're done, now you should be able to cash out from your Uber driver app without any issue. However, should this still fail, try using any web browser to log into your account and see if you can cash out from there. So you can use either Google Chrome, any other browser such as Firefox, Opera, or any browser that you use to log in and see if you'll be able to cash out your earnings. Should you still experience the same issue using a web browser, then most likely the problem might be with Uber driver app servers, or Uber driver is taking too long to process or update your earnings. For that, you'll need to wait and try later to be able to cash out. So let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.